Okay, so we're also in Nassau. It's sweet. Look at my chocolate. And take your mother on that trip. Take your father on that trip. Look at my mom is enjoying herself. And hey guys, I am in the Bahamas with my mother. So our birthday is coming up and we took a little trippy trip to go to the Bahamas. And let's see what we get up to because today is all about her. And not going to lie, Nassau is kind of like Montego Bay with a twist of downtown Kingston because the traffic can get chaotic. Okay, so we're also in Nassau and we have a lot to do today. We're going to go to the rum cake factory, tasty teas. Chuck Pass in the background. We're going to go to John Watkins Distillery. We're going to make chocolates and it's going to... First stop is McDonald's for breakfast. And yes, I am a McDonald's pancakes and eggs girly. Yes, look at that. Look at that. And we already started to dig in. So we got some pancake. Of course, I give you bread. You get some... Alright, so we're going to do the chocolate right now. It's sweet. Okay, so the first thing we had to do was change, as you can see, put on the apron and the covering and all of that. And then we got to do some tasting of the different type of chocolates first. And then after, they gave us all the items that we'll be needing to make the chocolate. So we got pretzels for decoration, pretzels, chocolates, an Oreo, and some other stuff. But let's talk about it. Let's get into it. As a baker,
as a manufacturer.
Listen, my mother was having so much fun. I would definitely recommend the longer videos on my YouTube channel. So I definitely recommend that you check out my YouTube channel for my Bahamas vlogs. But look how cute my mom one was. And mine looks so crack up and ugly. But anyways, it was a great experience. I definitely would recommend taking your parents or your parents, if it's just one you have, on a trip while you're young and while you can do it. Yes, 10 out of 10 would recommend. You can tell me some my mother never eat and enjoy herself. Look how she lick off chocolate. Look at her licking the chocolate. I know it's so sweet. But it was such a fun experience. I'm sorry I can't put it all in the TikTok video, but check out the YouTube channel. And this was us packaging it up so we could take it with us. I did give mine to a friend. And that is a wrap. Anyways, I think we're going to put the rum tasting in another video because this video is kind of getting a bit long. But I got to sample some other chocolates, cacao beans, and so on. So it was pretty good. It was a good experience.
So we're just trying something dark chocolate.
And here's a cacao bean. No, this is a chocolate. I'm sorry. My bad. Quick for big up my mother because she worked. She worked.